Caffeine Tattoo at Agape Auto Sports, branching out with Ratchet Davo podcast and YouTube channel, heading out to Caffeine and Octane. First time ever. Many years I've had sports cars. First time ever. I'm getting out with this crew. Got me out of the house Sunday morning to go out here and meet some cool people, make some cool connections, and have a great time. We're here, Caffeine and Octane. We had nowhere, even for exotics to park. That means we got a great turnout. Folks dying to get out of the house after being trapped in there so long. Look at all this. All these car enthusiasts, folks want to connect with one another. After being locked down and trapped for so many months in our house with nothing to do, it's great to see everybody coming together, enjoying themselves, having some fellowship with one another. Cool cars, great personalities, just a good time. Come on out.
You made it!
Made it!
There you go. What do you think, Shane?
Man, this is incredible. This is incredible. Yeah, it is. A little red. Like zombies. Everybody shaved his way up.
Something new and exciting to go look at, man.
This is amazing, man. Thank y'all.
Yeah, absolutely. It ended up working out perfect. We had to do a little convincing at the gate, but we were able to get the man to let you in here.
end of the day, it was a great day. I've never experienced anything like this. This many cool cars, this many people just getting along and enjoying the morning together. It's amazing how something simple like a love of cars can draw so many people together. Ain't nobody worried about none of the drama that's going on in the world. Everybody's just out here enjoying themselves. It's amazing. Man, I'm blessed that Dave got me to come out here.
It was an awesome day.
I've been going to come for like 6 years and never made it. But when Dave said, hey, you want to hit Caffeine and Octane? I said, let me ask my wife.
That's right.
And thank you, Carla.
That's
Watching
right.
The baby,
Thank
so
you,
we
Dana.
yeah. No, without y'all, we couldn't be here.
That's right.
But yeah, it's amazing to see this. And so many people. I mean, now it's dispersing, but there was just so many people here.
Such a cool.
You didn't hear nobody arguing. You didn't hear nothing. Everybody was just enjoying themselves.
Yeah.
It's just really cool.
Such a cool event. I had a blast.
Yeah.
It was awesome. It was really packed, but as you can see, it's starting to thin out a little bit.
Ready for the mall to open.
Yep, that's right.
So that's what's cool too, is so many people here and nobody's cutting donuts in the parking lot or anything. Everybody's kind of grateful. I mean, everybody's really grateful that the Perimeter Mall will let us have an event like this and something like this, you know? So everybody's respectful of it.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a couple of people that popped up on them, but nobody was like spinning tires or anything.
Yeah, you can kind of hear them in the background, but
Yeah.
there's a lot more respect here now.
It's
So,
amazing.
Great event. Caffeine
This
and
is,
Octane.
this is the way we need to live our lives.
Yep. Caffeine and Octane, thank you so much for always putting on this event. It's truly awesome. Really brings the car community together, I think. So
Thank you, Perimeter Mall, for letting us be here.
absolutely.